Hi students, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Students, today we are going to discuss about the representation of sets. As you all are very familiar, what is the meaning of set and types of sets? In the previous video, you have already got the information about it. But today we are going to discuss the representation of sets, means how we can represent a set. Dear students, there are three types of the forms by which we can represent the set. Naming, I am going to tell. The first one is a description form. The second form is a roster form. The another name of this form is tabular form also. The third method is a set builder form. The another name of this is a rule method. Now students, to explain these three concepts by single example, I have already taken and I have already noted one example is there. In this example, I have taken some numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 goes on like this. Now dear students, with the help of this example, what is the method? How we can write these numbers in description form? How we can write these numbers in roster form? And how we can write these numbers under set builder form? This I am going to explain. Besides this, I will tell which points we have to keep in our mind when we are going to write the numbers, any numerical numbers in any type of forms. Let's come students, we are going to start the first one. What is the meaning of description form? You all are very familiar about this word describe. To describe something means when we explain something in the form of words, that is called description form. But to write the description form, which point we have to keep in our mind? Firstly, just observe the numericals that we have given here. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 60. To observe a particular pattern, firstly we have to go in the rough work and try to understand the pattern under which pattern these numbers are noted. Just see, in the rough work I am going to do something about these numbers. 1, how it made. It is a scale of 1, we can say that, that's why it will become 1 into 1 is there. That's why we are getting 1. You may write like this, the first number. The next number is 4. How I am getting 4 here? That is a scale of 2 and 2 into 2. The next number is scale of 3. 3 into 3 equal to 9. Whenever you are going to write the description form and other types of forms, you must observe the pattern under which the numerical numbers already noted in the statement. Next, see the next number 4. Scale of 4 we can write 4 into 4, it means 16. The next one is scale of 5, I can write 5 into 5 equal to 25. In the same way, scale of 6, I can find 6 into 6 equal to 36. In the same way, we can find other numbers also, like 49 scale of 7 and 64 scale of 8 goes on. Now what I have observed here, these numbers I am getting by doing the scales of the natural numbers. You all are very familiar, natural numbers starting from 1 and these numbers are going on consecutively like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. And this dotted symbol also indicates this thing. Now I have observed the pattern. Also, according to the rough work, these are the scales of natural numbers. Obviously, the description form in the form of words I have to write. But whenever you are going to write any types of sets and any types of forms, you must enclose the description form either in the form of words, and the numericals must enclose them in the curly bracket like that. Firstly, I am going to create a curly bracket. Now, which thing I have observed from the rough work, I have to note it here. Scales of natural numbers. Dear students, whenever you are going to write the description form, by observing the given pattern, you have to write the description, you have to describe the given numericals in the form of words. And description form is ready according to the given question. Now, what is the meaning of roster form? Which things we have to keep in our mind? Dear students, you have to keep in mind two things. First, you must enclose all the elements of the given statement in the bracket, in the curly bracket, and all the elements must be listed and separated by commas. These 2 points, when you keep in mind, you are able to write the roster form very easily like this. I am going to pick up the given numbers 1, 4, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, goes on. I have already listed all the given elements and I have already separated all the elements by commas, and I have enclosed all the elements in the curly bracket. That's why roster form is ready. Now, dear students, third type of form we are going to discuss. What is the meaning of set builder form? You have already observed here, set builder form is another thing, is a rule method. It means in this form, which thing we have to keep in mind? We must observe some particular pattern and particular rule under which the given numbers are already noted. That I have already told in the rough work. Which pattern we are observing here? We are getting the given numbers by doing the squares of a natural number. This is the similarity and the common pattern under which the given numbers are noted. Now, second thing, because we are discussing here about the set builder form, you must have a common algebraic number by which we can represent each element like this. Obviously, we are observing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all numbers belongs to natural number. It means if we want to give a unique image and a common image to all elements by a single algebraic number, we may write the set builder form of the given numbers like that. Just imagine, I want to represent each element by x. That's your choice. You can choose any type of alphabet. I want to represent each element by n. That's your choice. But here I am going to use the algebraic alphabet, that is x. It's each element I am going to represent by x. Now there is a symbol such that you may use this symbol also. It means now we are going to explain what is the meaning of x. What is the meaning of x under your imagination according to the given condition. Now we are going to explain what is x. It's each element I am going to represent by x such that x equal to, because I am getting the squares of natural number, I am writing x is equal to n square. X is equal to n square. Now when I observe the pattern in the rough form, here I am getting the squares of natural numbers, not whole numbers. So obviously what I have to do, now I have to give one common parameter for that and some common rule for that. I have to define what is n is here. N is belonging to natural number. This is the way to represent all elements. Now you can observe, just imagine, we know n belongs to natural number. Natural number started from 1. When you will put and when you will assign the value of 1 is here, obviously what you will get? Square of 1, 1. Its first element becoming 1. When you will assign 2 here, square of 2, 4. It means x becoming 4. You will get the second element of the given statement. Okay. I hope you have already understood what is the meaning of set builder form and how we can write this particular form under which particular rules. Dear students, I hope you have got all 3 types of the forms, how we can write the given set into 3 types of the form. I hope you have already got the proper information, and now try to implement these 3 skills in the textbook problems. Thanks for watching.